Next we are going to do the associative property. Now in associative property, again we are going to change the order and see whether it makes a difference. So associative property is basically, is A plus B plus C the same as A plus B plus C? We are checking out for addition of integers. So taking an example, 3 plus 4 plus 5, is it equal to 3 plus 4 plus 5? And we will find that it is equal, because this is going to be 3 plus 9 and this is going to be 7 plus 5, this is 12 and this is also 12. So the brackets will not matter as long as there is addition. So A plus B plus C is the same as A plus B plus C. This is the associative property. Now there are some numbers which are called the additive identity. Now what is the additive identity? Additive identity is 0. Why do we call 0 as the additive identity? Because when we add 0 to any number, the value of that number doesn't change. For example, if I am going to add 0 to 3, I will get 3. If I am going to add 0 to minus 3, I am going to get minus 3. So 0 is the additive identity for all numbers or for all integers, because when I add 0 to any number, the value of that number will not change. I am going to get the same number. As we saw in this example, that when we have added 0 to these numbers, the value has not changed, it has remained the same. So these are called the additive identity. So additive identity for any particular integer or any number is 0. And the multiplicative identity is 1. The meaning of multiplicative identity is that when I multiply a number by a number, I am going to get the same number. The value is not changing. Now let us take a few examples. If I take 3 and multiply it by 1, what happens? I get the number itself, that is 3. So I can say that 1 is the multiplicative identity for all numbers. We take minus 3 and multiply it by 1. So what happens? Again we get the number minus 3. So 0 is an additive identity because 0 added to the number will give the number, and 1 is called the multiplicative identity because 1 multiplied by any number will give you the number itself. So we have to know what is the additive identity and what is the multiplicative identity. You also should know what is the meaning of reciprocal. The meaning of a reciprocal is taking the reverse. That means 1 by 2, reciprocal of this will become 2 by 1. That means the numerator will become denominator and denominator will become the numerator. So this is called the taking of the reciprocal. So if you are asked what is the reciprocal of 4 by 5, the answer will be 5 upon 4. So the numerator has been transferred to the denominator and denominator has become the numerator. And please make sure that you don't put equal to sign, because the reciprocals of numbers are never equal. But we have to put an arrow indicating that 1 by 2 has been converted to 2 by 1 because of the fact that we are taking reciprocals.